Okay, good morning. It is a rainy, cloudy, perfect day for a yoga flow. So Friday flow today, it's not going to be music based. It's just going to be a regular flow, and I have no idea what it's going to spit out of my head. So join me on your mat. I've got my warm coffee here, sipping throughout, and let's go ahead and start in child's pose. That's an easy way to start. Knees wide, toes together. Sink long through the tailbone, reach to the fingertips. Give yourself 3 slow, deep breaths here to just arrive on your mat. Feel the back body expand. Exhale, sink the tailbone down. Inhale, reach fingertips a little bit further forward. Exhale, bring the lower traps down the back. One more. Fill your lungs all the way. Feel the back body expand. Exhale, sigh out the mouth. Good. Grab opposite elbows here and bring your forehead down. And just feel that nice armpit stretch as you grab opposite elbows. Maybe you need to wiggle walk your elbow tips closer to the top of your mat. Good, and then just find this rock where you can kind of do a cat and a cow on the forearms, waking up the shoulder blades, the scapulae. Still in the wide, knees, toes together. Just waking up the spine, waking up the arms, the shoulders. Mine are so tight from breastfeeding all night. Good, now snag the palms down. And find that cat-cow again. See how it feels a little different for the shoulders. Inhale to fill, belly down, chest up. Exhale, tuck and round for cat. 2 more. Good. Bring this left knee in. Extend the right toes back. Right arm reaches up. A balancing gate pose on the forearms. Right arm reaches over your head. Grab behind the neck, the occiput, and open it up. Find some breath here. Feel the right side body stretch. Good. Tense your fingertips down. Release the right knee. Release the right forearm. Extend the left toes back. Open it up. Left arm reaches. So testing your balance, find your core nice and strong. Left arm reaches long to the top of your mat. Get strong to that right forearm. Back of the head opens up. Forearm back down. Tuck your toes. And just find a small hover here with the knees. See if you can't spread the sits bones wide open. Relax your glutes here and tighten your core. Get strong through the forearms. Relax your head down. Slowly start to lift the hips up and pedal out the knees. Slide your palms to where your elbows are. And walk your hands to the back of your mat. Give yourself a halfway lift and a big fold. Inhale, the arms reach all the way up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Samastiti. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, big forward fold. Inhale, walk your fingertips forward, step your right foot forward, low lunge. Arms whoop, arms reach up. Twist the right arm back, left arm forward, gentle spine twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale, straighten that front leg. Step the right knee back, come forward, practicing that chaturanga form, elbows in, chest down, chin down. Slide the chest through for Cobra, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, hips high, downward facing. Walk your hands to the back of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Walk your hands forward. This time the left foot steps forward. Right knee down, arms up. Left arm twists you open. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, straighten that front leg. Bring the left knee back. Lower down halfway, knees, chest, chin. Pull the chest through the shoulders. Cobra. Tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing. All right, walking it back. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach. Exhale, palms to heart. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. This time, come forward into high plank. Press the floor away. Come down halfway. Tops of the feet. Press the palms down, upward facing, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, turn over the toes, downward facing. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come high on the heels as you inhale. Exhale, look forward and travel to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold, inhale, reach. Exhale, right arm switches back, gentle twist, standing, arms reach. Exhale, left arm. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half. Exhale, step back, flow high to low, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. 5 breaths here to get strong in your downward facing dog. Press the floor away. Spread the sits bones wide apart. Relax your neck. Get strong through all 5 of the fingers. Press them down. Feel a little bit of air between the palms. Relax the back of the neck. Keep the breath moving down the back side of the legs. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Make your way to the top of your mat. Inhale. Lengthen halfway. Exhale. Fold. Uttanasana. Inhale. Arms reach up. This time twisting from the spine. Reach from left wrist up and over to the right. Looking up and underneath that left armpit if it's available. Crown of the head reaches through the palms. Inhale, reach. Exhale, come left. Inhale, back to center. Mini back bend if you want. Cactus the arms, drop the head back. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, place the palms down. Opportunity to start that jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing. Downward facing. Cycle the breath in through the nose. Out through the nose. Next inhale, look forward. Next exhale, make your way to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach. This time, arms twist back. Right arm reaches. Inhale, reach. Exhale, left arm twists. Inhale, reach. That rain is so beautiful. Exhale, hold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward to downward. Cycle the breath over one time. Inhale, fill. Exhale, sink heels. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. This time, sit your hips down. Inhale, arms reach up. Utkatasana, fierce pose. Reach through the baby fingers. Biceps coming in, ring is coming down, ribs down, pubic bone in. Get strong through the core. Sit through the glutes. Big toes still attached to the earth. Breathe here in your chair pose. Get strong. Feel the inner thighs by bringing them away from one another. The inner thighs towards one another. Take that gentle twist without moving the legs. Right arm reaches, left arm reaches forward. Inhale, fill through the crown, reach up. Exhale, sit lower. Check in with your knees. Left knee's not shifting forward. One more, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, sit. Inhale, the arms reach. Exhale, sink lower. Inhale, reach. Exhale, twist left arm back, right arm forward. Check in with those knees. Inhale, fill the crown. Exhale, sink the hips. One more strong breath. Try to stretch your shoulders apart from one another. Inhale, fill. Exhale, sit. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Take a moment. Exhale, place the palms down. Step it back, flow high to low. Upward facing, downward facing, the bottom of your exhale. The right foot comes through. Replaces the right thumb. Back left foot down. Inhale, arms reach up. Warrior one. Warrior one, push the left hip forward. Square the hips to the front of your mat. Reach through the baby fingers. Relax the neck down the back. Get strong through the back left thigh. Press through the right heel. Sit lower. Breathe into the new rain. So beautiful. Place your palms down. Step back. Float. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to upward facing Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, downward facing Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bottom of your exhale, left foot steps, replaces the left thumb. Spin the right foot down, arms reach up. Warrior one. Once you've got your feet placed in a strong space where you can keep them there, rotate right hip forward, reach the right armpit up. Sit lower. Instead of flaring bottom ribs out, can you tuck them under to get strong through your core? Sit lower. Tighten the back thigh, press down through the front heel. Stay for a breath. Get strong in your warrior one. Hands reach down. Step back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, downward facing Adho Mukha Svanasana. Cycle through your breath. Inhale, fill, get strong to the arm. Exhale, release the sits bones open, press down to the heels. Next, inhale, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward. Inhale, reach, arms reach up. Sit low. Utkatasana. Twist the right arm back. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, twist the left arm back. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step back. High to low. Chaturanga Dandasana. Hips high, downward facing. Right foot right away, step through. Inhale, the arms reach. Exhale, place the palms, step back. Flow high to low. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Bottom of the exhale, left foot steps through. Inhale, arms reach, warrior one. Now we're moving, exhale, palms down. Step back, chaturanga. Upward to downward. Cycle the breath in through nose. Out of the nose. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top. Warming up now. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, sit, arms reach. Adding on now to this chair pose. Get strong through the arms reach. Sit low. Kick that right foot behind you for a curtsy squat. Twist the right arm back. Stay for another breath. Inhale, lengthen your crown. Pass right shoulder down. Sit lower. 10 pulses here. Waking up the glutes. Hold. Arms reach. Shoot it back into warrior three. Find stability through the right hip. Bring the right hip down. Right heel back. Step right to meet left. Arms reach. Sit low. Curtsy that left heel in. Twist left arm open. Once you're strong through the arms, look past the left shoulder, sit through pulse for 10. Arms reach, warrior 3 legs. Left to meet, right forward fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, place the palms, step it back. Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing to downward facing. Bottom of the exhale, right foot steps through. Arms reach up, warrior 1 arms. Straighten that front leg, open up to triangle pose, Trikonasana. Get strong through your Trikonasana, stretch through fingertips, rib cage, core strong. Fingertips can rest on the shin, on the toe. Bring the left arm up and over. Left hand down, right hand up. Involve triangle. Drop the left knee down. Arms reach up for low lunge. Straighten that front leg. Push off the front leg, long pyramid into a standing split. Step the left to meet the right, inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms reach, chair pose. Right foot back behind again. Right arm reaches back, shoulders down the back, reach, reach, reach. Crown of the head, pulse for 10. Find your warrior 3. Coming up, warrior 3, finding balance. Big toe grip. Extend the heel forward, up and down. Maybe you have fingertips extending opposite directions. Look past them to the balance. Right to meet the left, arms reach. Exhale, sit. Left foot steps. Left arm reaches. Pulse for 10. Warrior 3 legs. Find the balance. Bring it up. Big toe grip. Extend it forward. Open it out. Left foot reaches the right, arms reach. Exhale, big forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step back, high to low. Upward facing, downward facing. Bottom of the exhale, left foot steps through. Warrior 1, arms reach. Straighten that front leg, open up, triangle pose. Take a couple breaths here to reach and extend. Pushing down through the left heel, touching from the shin or the big toe if that's available. Right arm comes up and over from the side body stretch. Right hand down, left hand up in the twist. Evolve the triangle. Set your right knee down, arms up for the low lunge. Straighten the front leg. Bow over. Pushing off the back leg. Long pyramid to standing split. Right to meet the left, inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Sit your bottom down on your mat, find low boat. Get a sip of coffee because you were up all night. I was up all night. Flex feet. You can always bring feet into high boat. I'm not there yet. I put too much pressure outward. So in your low boat, pull inner thighs out, outer thighs in, knit the ribs down, the pubic bone up and in. So you've got a strong core from the lower corset all the way to the bra line. Breathe. Reaching for the raindrops. Pull the traps down your back, your ears down your neck. Keep the breath moving. Good. Twist the right arm back. Bring the left arm forward. Twist the boat. Arms reach. Twist left. Arms reach. Twist right. Arms reach. Twist left. Arms reach. Good. Come underneath. Breathe, breathe, breathe. The stomach and the thighs connected. Try to grab the tops of your feet. Set your feet down. Put your armpits in your knees for a modified life pose. Waking up the lymphatic system this morning. Pull your chest through the shoulders. Should feel a nice stretch. We're going to rock and roll. Each at the top of your mat in chair pose. Right foot steps. Adding on. Right arm reaches. Pulse for 10. Find warrior 3 legs. Pulse the heel now for 10. Use just your glute. Core is strong. Step it back for a high lunge. Extend long through the right heel. Reach through the arms. Twist the left arm back, right arm forward in the high lunge. Pulse that right knee down for 10. You can stay in your high lunge and exalt your high lunge, or you can always bend and sit down that right knee if that feels better. Release your exalted high lunge. Open to warrior 2. Heel to heel alignment. Right thigh tight. Get strong. Squeezing heels together, sit low. Come into side angle. Forearm can be down on the thigh or left hand inside the foot. Extended side angle. Right hand down. Big toe grip, come into side plank. Option to just stay here. Release the toe, come into wild thing, ball of left foot down, left arm reaches high. Place the left palm back down, flow high to low. Upward to downward. Inhale, fill. Exhale, sink heels. Inhale, come high on the toes. Exhale, step hop or jump to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, sit, arms reach. Other side of your chair. Left foot. Find the curtsy, 10 pulses. Here. Reach into that. Warrior 3. Foot reaches up. Heel is strong, core is tight. Step it back into that high lunge. Breathe in your high lunge. 10 pulses down. Oh, let's twist our high lunge first. We need the challenge this morning, right? 10 pulses.
Now take an opportunity to exalt the high lunge, whether that's grabbing outer thigh and reaching, or sitting the knee down and reaching. Your choice. And back up, open up, warrior two. Sit low in the warrior. Woo. Heel to heel alignment. Strong through that right heel. Core tight, glute strong. Looking over that middle finger. Bring the shoulders down the back. Spread them apart. Side angle. Or extended side. Making your way there. Place the left palm down, big toe grip on that right foot. Extend it in, the side plank. Release the big toe, stamp the right ball down, arm reaches up. Right away step into warrior one, right side, arms reach. Triangle. Revolve triangle. Left knee down, low lunge, arms reach. Half split, long pyramid, standing split. Adding on, option here for a half moon. Why don't we try that anyhow? See where that hip is at. Palms down, right glute kicks up to the butt for some L hops. Left hand down, right hand up, revolve. Arda. Find the hips, square them off. Feel the stretch on the right glute. Look your mark. Bend this left knee down and push it up. Kind of like curtsy. If you want to drop that right hand, you can drop it down for balance. You can even releve this right heel up off the floor if it's too much pressure on the hamstring or the knee. Last three. Bring the left knee down outside of the right foot for a half spine twist. Palm star at center, twist and open. Grab outside of that right foot and extend. Lots of juicy twists today. Working your way into cow face, bringing the right knee on top of the left. Right arm up and over. Ear against the tricep. Once you've got that, you can work your way forward, find a stretch, allow the hips to stop you, and when they do, just breathe. Stay there. Square myself back on my mat here. Let's try something fun. Grab opposite elbows, come forward. Snag the arms out. See what happens if you walk those legs back just a little bit. Get that nice stretch in the right hip after all that work. You can kind of tilt to the left a little bit and feel the nice strong stretch. Opportunity to try for a headstand. If it's not in your practice, do not take it. But maybe it's here today with cupping the hands. I like to interlace them and then bring that bottom pinky down. The elbows are still snagged. You're just going to put the head in that cupped space. And maybe you just tuck your toes today. Maybe this is where you stay. If you have a headstand practice, remember we're not picking up ever. Press the floor away and come on up. Not a lot of pressure, if any at all, in your head. It's all arm strength, core strength to get up. Maybe it's eagle legs. We're working that reverse pressure. You can always be in eagle legs on the ground and it's still doing all the goods. Coming back down to that cow face. Pushing up. And stepping through chaturanga dandasana. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. Left foot steps through right away for that warrior one. Arms reach. Sit low. Open up triangle, trikonasana. Revolve triangle, right hand down, left hand up. Set the right knee down, find that low lunge, square the hips. Untuck the back toes, straighten the front leg, half split. Come forward, find a long pyramid, back toes tucked, both hips square, legs long. Push off, standing split. Body down the leg up, seat cupping the heel. Left hand stays down, right heel kicks back, open up, Ardha Chandrasana, feel this right glute engage. To open up the hip. Feel good through the hip flexor, right hand down. Left hand can reach up or square the hips off. There's a nice stretch of that left hip. Left palm down, L hops. Or you can just stay in that standing split if that feels good. Press the floor away, kick the glute, press, press. Core tight. Try two more. Last one, come on, air. Curtsies. Can lift and extend. If you want more of a challenge, lift other hand, right hand up. Last three. Half spine twist. Bring the palms to heart to really wring out the ribs here. Step outside of that right foot. Forward. Cow face with the left leg over. Left elbow up. Left fingertips down. Bicep in here to find the stretch. Bottom ribs down, no flaring the ribs. Good, grab opposite elbows, reach forward. This might be amazing. Maybe you stay here, maybe you keep coming. Maybe you make it down. Trying again if you want. Headstand practice. Walk your legs back. Maybe you're just here today. Maybe you just keep walking those toes up until they float up. Wiggle the legs if it's there. Coming back the way you went in. Real simple. Coming back to our forearms, back to the cat-cows. Try for dolphin here, tuck the toes, lift the hips. Walk the feet up. Good, and maybe in your dolphin you want to get stronger through your forearms so you can just come high on the toes. The dolphin push up. Or you can just stay in your dolphin if this is too much. Just stay here, relax your head. Press your elbows into the earth. Get out of your shoulders. Use your back muscles. If you're using dolphin push-ups, you're still doing the same. And maybe you lift the right toes high. Come forward. See where you're at. Left toes high. Come forward. Eventually working into a pincer practice. If you have it, you can try it. Coming down to puppy. Knees stay on the ground, arms extend long. Hips stay high so that you get the shoulder stretch. Should feel good. And yummy, chin can stay out. If that's too intense, just bring your forehead down. In your puppy pose, you're going to thread the needle right arm under. And switch it out. Sometimes the slow flow is where we can learn a lot about our body. It doesn't have to be fast to be effective. And that's myself speaking to myself, if you know me. Let's come to a seated position to seal off our practice today. Lift up on the butt cheeks. Doesn't have to be half lotus. You can just lift the butt cheeks and sit crisscross. Finding a couple of slow, deep breaths where you feel pushing the air down, feel the pressure in the abdomen, in the spine, and then exhale, releasing the energy up and out. Let's do 3 strong breaths. Use your nose. Inhale, fill. Release. Inhale, fill. And then hold that pressure 3 seconds. Last one, inhale, fill. Release. Thanks for practicing with me on this rainy day. I hope some of that rain brought you some peace to your day. Happy Friday, friends. See you next time.